What if you could turn Sketchup from a basic modeling app into a high-end data visualization engine in exactly 1 second? What you are looking at is an instant, dynamic height heat map, and it was generated completely by code. Today, we are using AI to build a custom color-by-data tool that textures your model based on its actual geometry. If you want to analyze solar exposure, zoning, or just create a flawless material gradient across a complex facade, this is how you do it. Here's the problem. Visualizing data natively in Sketchup is a nightmare. If you want to show how a building's height varies across a site, like this group housing blocks, or create a smooth transition from raw concrete at the base to warm wood panels at the top, you're stuck coloring hundreds of faces one by one. So instead of manual labor, we're going to use AI to write a logic gate, find the highest point, find the lowest point, and map a flawless color gradient between them automatically using Ruby console. To find it, just head up to Extensions, hover over Developer, and open the Ruby console. If you are on an older version of SketchUp, it might be right under your Window tab. If it's not there, you can download it from the SketchUp Extensions webpage. This console is the back-end brain of SketchUp. It lets you alter or build 3D geometry using code. To get a script this smart, we go back to our AI workflow. We can use any AI coding agent, such as GPT, Claude, or Codex. I'm using GPT in this example. In our prompt for making a Ruby console script, we tell it to look at the bounding box of our selection, extract the minimum and maximum z-coordinates, and calculate a normalized value between 0 and 1 for every single face, turning those values into an RGB color gradient, from deep blue at the ground level to bright red at the peak. Hit Enter and let it do the job for you to create that script. In less than 10 seconds, the AI hands us a clean, optimized script. Let's run the test.
Copy and paste the code into the Ruby console, hit Enter, and look at that, an instant, perfectly smooth data analysis map. It completely changes how you look at your site topography or massing studies. But it gets even better. What if you don't want a bright heat map, but a realistic architectural finish? You just tell the AI, instead of solid colors, use a gradient interpolation between two actual SketchUp materials, raw concrete at the base and oak wood at the top, and it can work just the same. We can of course change the RGB value in this code to change colors, or we can simply use a new prompt. Suppose if we want a monochromatic look, we can ask to change bottom color to black and white for peak. New code generates instantly. Simply copy it and paste it into our Ruby console and see the change. That is absolute gold, and it happens so quickly. We can try variation of gradients to define different floors or blocks as well.
This is video 2 of our series, and we are just scratching the surface of what happens when you let AI write the rules inside SketchUp. You don't need a degree in computer science to do this. You just need to know how to talk to the AI. The exact prompt template for this color by data tool is waiting for you in the description below. Grab it, test it on your current project, and let me know in the comments what color palette or materials you're mapping. Don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we are automating something every architect hates: instant one-click layout generation. See you there!